In this last one, I picked a little bit more of a word problem, so you can see that inequalities are important even in applications. This one says that Joan is hiring a painting company in order to get her house painted. And the company has two plans to choose from. You can choose Plan A. In Plan A, they charge you a flat fee of $250 and $10 for every hour that it takes to paint the house. For Plan B, they don't charge you any flat fee, but they will charge you $20 per hour. So the question is, when will Plan B be more expensive than Plan A? Now pause for a moment and think, why would we be using an inequality here? Why don't I just set up an equation? Well, what I'm really looking for is not one specific time, but all times when Plan B will be more expensive. So it makes a little bit more sense to go ahead and set up an inequality for this word problem. All right, let's go ahead and hunt down both of our situations. So let's have Plan A, and let's go ahead and have Plan B. We need an unknown here, so let's say X is the time to paint the house. Okay. So Plan A cost a flat fee of $250 plus $10 per hour. So the $10 per hour is like our variable cost. So I have 10x. Flat fee does not vary, so plus 250. So that expression will just keep track of the cost for Plan A, depending on how many hours it takes. Plan B has only a variable cost of $20 per hour, so I'll just say 20x. All right, now comes the big question. When is Plan B more expensive than Plan A? So B would be more expensive, so I would use an inequality symbol of Plan A less than Plan B, and that's exactly how we will connect our expressions as well. 10x plus 250 is less than 20x. All right, so to completely answer this problem, now we just have to solve the inequality. Let's work on getting our x's together by subtracting a 10x from both sides. So 250 is less than 10x. Okay, looks good. Now we'll divide both sides by 10. So 25 less than x. Okay? Now it's time to interpret exactly what we have here. So x represents the time that it will take to paint the house. So what I can see here is that anytime my time is more than 25 hours, then I can be sure that Plan B will be more expensive. All right, so there you have it. So be careful when setting up and solving these inequalities. Remember, there's only really one rule you have to remember. Go ahead and flip your inequality anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number. Thank you for watching Educator.com.